Hello everybody. You are welcome in social study class. Today we are going to discuss about contemporary development goal in Nepal. Contemporary development goal in Nepal. Okay, let me give you overview. The UN General Assembly of 1990 formulated the goal for eradicating poverty. In September of 2000, the Millennium Development Goal was announced. This paved the way for developing countries to eradicate economic and human poverty. It listed the 8 Millennium Development Goal and Nepal's achievement goal. It also listed 21 Sustainable Development Goal and Nepal's goal. 189 countries along with Nepal signed the paper. That's why Nepal also responsible for carry out these goals. Okay, Millennium Development Goal and Nepal. Millennium Development Goal, there are in Millennium, 8 goal has been set to eradicate poverty, achieve primary, achieve universal primary education, and promote gender equality and empower women, reduce mortality, improve mental health, and combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases, ensure environmental sustainability, and global partnership for development. Altogether, there are 8 goals set, and on the basis of year, that the achievement of Nepal. Some has already been completed, some are yet to be complete. It's not been, but has done some progress in this field. Okay, this regarding sustainable development goals later we'll study. There are 14 goals which has been signed by Nepal along with other country of the world. Sustainable development goal. Now let's see overview. Sustainable development goal have been topics of discussion for more than 2 decades. It's officially began official beginning has been since June 2012 in Rio de Janeiro, the September 2014 in UN General Assembly. The Millennium Goals ended in 2015, and this has been the plan from 2015 to 2030. The 2015 September Assembly accepted the goal and put into works. There are still missing some index and point and programs plan. There are 17 goal and 169 destination point declared up to this point in time. Nepal. Now let's talk about Nepal. Nepal has the goal of improving its rank from developing nation to an upper level. Okay, these goals are very vast with great expectation and very demanding, which requires much means and the resources. By 2030, Nepal has goal to be an inclusive, peaceful country with average income of its citizen. Okay, that's the objective of sustainable development. And in sustainable development, there are 17 goals. Okay, let me read out those. Sustainable development: end poverty in all its forms everywhere, end hunger and achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture, ensure health, lives and promote well-being for all at the age, ensure inclusive and equitable uh, quality education and promote lifelong learnings, opportunity for all, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls, ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. And 7, ensure access of the affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all, promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employments, and decent work for it. Next, build Resilient infrastructure promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. 10. Reduce equality within and among the countries. Make cities and human settlement inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Ensure sustainable consumption and production of patents. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Converse and sustainability, use of oceans, seas, marine resources, and sustainable development. Protect forest and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem sustainably. Manage forest, combat desertification, and halt and reserves land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. Promote peaceful and inclusive society for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and beautiful, effective accountability and inclusive institution. Strengthen the means of implementation and revitalization of global partnership for sustainable development. Okay, these are the 17 altogether. 17, you see, look there, 17 sustainable goal set by the UN General Assembly, and Nepal also shows its agreement here. Okay, so that Nepal has taken the great responsibility in development. Some has already been completed and some are yet to remain. This all detail is given in text. Okay, if this goal set, obviously set goal completed in the times, yes, of course, there would be quite different environment in Nepal too. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for listening.